guys, thank you for coming with me to Home Goods. I am so happy. I'm shopping here. I can't believe it. I love their stuff. Okay, so here we have a set of 3 canisters. So let's see what's on clearance. I don't know. So these are on clearance for $3.20, and that's a different design than this one. Yeah, here's the next size up, $3.20, and then the bigger one is $5. I think I read that right. I didn't want to drop that. So look at in front of me, guys. This is all faux marble, I think. So this here, yeah, this is faux marble. This furniture piece is not on sale, and that's $49.99. And this here, it's pretty heavy though. It's not, I don't think, it's not marble. It's $29.99 for that. Isn't that pretty? Wow. And then look at this one. Oh my goodness. And then the waste paper basket. And then this. I think this is a hamper. Oh my goodness. And then you have the 3 compartment. So the 3 compartment is $7.99. And I think the hamper is $24.99. Look at it, guys. And that's like faux marble. So now this is $5.99. This is not on clearance. This is $5.99. And this is $5.99. So then you have, this is pretty neat, $12.99. So you can put your toothbrushes and your makeup brushes, and I don't know, but it's beautiful. So each individual piece, like this dispenser, is $9.99. That's not on clearance. And this is $9.99. Look at that, how beautiful that is. Then this here is for the toothbrush holder. This is $6.99, and here's the cup. That's $6.99. Then you have the waste paper basket. And I'm not sure if the tray costs anything or if it's part of the set. I don't think so. I think it's separate. So here's the soap dish, $5.99. And look at this dispenser. Then you have the matching, what is this? Tissue? Yeah, that's a tissue holder, guys. See that? What is that? How much is that? Let's see. That's not on sale. That's $16.99, and there's the waste paper basket. So I'm loving these. Guys, I'm loving these. $9.99. That is gorgeous. So then over here, you have this kind of a set, and they're the hampers up there. I don't think I can reach the prices, but this one here is $19.99. Okay, and then you have this pail over here, this waste paper basket. Let's see, I can't see a price on it. But this one here, $5.99. The dispenser is $7.99. And then the toothbrush holder is $5.99. Then you have the 3 compartment here for $7.99. Then here's a hamper. Now this is just rubber, plastic. Let's see if I see a price. I don't see a price on that. And then I like these. I like these for the bathroom because you can put so many multiple things in there. Let's see if I see a tag. Okay, $49.99. So that's not on sale. Then you have these laundry baskets here for $24.99. They come in these styles right here. Then you have this marble dispenser for $9.99. Then look how pretty that one is. Isn't that pretty? $9.99. And there's the waste paper basket. And now I'm loving this set. I love the detail stuff. So this is probably, yeah, no, this says made in China. Wow. I thought it would say made in India. So that's $5.99, $5.99, and then this one here is $14.99. Then look at this dispenser with the copper top, $12.99. Then you have this basket here, which is really pretty. That's $9.99. So this stuff is not on clearance, guys. Then you have these waste paper baskets, and here's another set for your bathroom. The tissue holder, $12.99. Then here's the dispenser, the cup. The cup is $5.99. Dispenser is $5.99. Okay, then you have this one. Brush it off. Isn't that cute? This is $6.99. And then look at this one. It's like a bronze, a rub bronze, $7.99. I'm starting to really love that, guys. So then over here, You have some makeup organization over here. And this is not on clearance. So you have this compartment one here for $7.99. You have the spinning one or organizer here for $12.99. Then you have the 3-compartment one here. I don't know the price of that one. So this here is $9.99. And here's one of the makeup brushes. It says, "You're like really pretty." $9.99. Then this one is $9.99, and then you have your hampers here. So let me show you this over here. So here you have the dispenser in that style right there. And the dispenser's $10.99. I can't pick that, the waste paper basket, but this container here with the cover is $9.99. And then here's the bigger one, and I think that's the tissue holder. So this one is faux marble. So the faux marble, I love the faux marble. That one's $14.99. And then here's the tissue holder. This is really pretty, guys. Look at that. That's heavy. That's $12.99. So here's the marble dispenser that goes with that set for $9.99. And then you have your mirror here for $9.99, and some the step can waste paper baskets, and some more baskets down here. So if we come down here, guys, let's see. We have these cat slippers. Look at these. Aren't they adorable? $3. Then you have this toy. This toy plus 3-piece puzzle. Where's the price? It's $1. That's pretty cute. So then they have a soap dish over here that's on clearance for $4 in that style. And let's see. This here is like leather. Genuine leather from Italy. So this is like a trinket tray for a guy. I would say $15. That's really pretty. Here's another one. That one's real pretty. And you have a Toy Story game here for $3. And I don't know, I want to move that. Serving spoons. This stuff here looks like it's on clearance. This, I think, I'm going to say it's a wine rack. I think it's a wine rack that was reduced to $9 from $24.99. This Calvin Klein comforter, guys, in that color is $25 reduced. So we are on clearance over here. Some items are on clearance, some items aren't. Look at the size of this basket for $13. That was reduced. I'm loving it, guys. I am so loving it. This one here is King, and it says Canadian white down and feather comforter. What? For $35? That's a great buy. Look at this basket here. Then you have this, so cute for a kid's room. That's $3 for that. And I'm telling you, that comforter there, the down comforter, for $35 for a king, that's a nice buy. And you have some throws over here that went on clearance for $5. This throw is it's a DK New York for $5. That's a great buy. Here's a runner. I think that's a run. No, that's a shower curtain. $7. Here's another throw. Everything's all mixed in, guys. Made in Portugal, and this was reduced to $9. Wow, I'm like, I don't know what to do with myself, guys. Look at this. Look at this pet throw. Okay, so $7. And here's a pink one for my baby. Let's see. Yep, it's on clearance for $5. Wow. I'm loving these. Look at this. So then you have this basket right here in front of me for $3. That's unbelievable. This one is $5, and look, it has 2 compartments inside. This is plastic for $3.50, and I think it's for the 2. These are nice bin-sized baskets. So here you have some storage bins, and it is a set of 4 for $3.50, and those are all nice sizes. And look at this one, guys. I'm telling you, I don't even know where the line is right now, but I am just like so tempted to buy this stuff. So here is $3.50 for this the one that's inside, but Thought it was a set, but it's not. I'm loving the white ones. The white ones are so nice. Then you have this one. Look at these guys. Look at those. Wow. All I can say is wow, because look, $13 for that huge one. Guys, I'm just like, don't know what to do. I would love to buy so much of this stuff. Okay, so this is Italian Views. This is a book. Let's see how much that book is. $12. You know, the book costs more than the baskets. And then you have that red one, and then you have that lantern light one over there. You have some towels over here. Tahari, that's $3.50. You get two. You get two, and the quality is unreal. Here's some Ralph Lauren, probably a sheet set. You have Kensington King UGG. What's this? UGG Pillow Sham for $12. That was reduced. And then that white pillow up there is $7. And you have this one. I'm just like so excited, guys. Thank you for coming with me to Home Goods, and don't worry, guys, I'll be back. I hope you guys are having an awesome day, and I'll see you in the next video.